Now I'm at the Halen Vans factory in Victoria and we're going to be having a look at this Avalon off-road series. Now this caravan, it weighs a shade over 2 tonne when it's empty, but it looks like there's a decent payload capacity with this van and a fair amount of off-road equipment too. But we're all hitched up and we're going to hit the road. The thing about Halen vans is that they think a little outside the box. For example, the trailer to vehicle wiring harness is detachable via this 7-pin round plug. Without the matching lead, the lights or electric brakes won't work. So it's a neat little anti-theft device. Among the equipment on the Avalon that we checked out, there was a Weber Q on a slide-out tray. And the gas bayonet was built into the side of the van rather than off the chassis. The thing about Halen vans is that they're very much a custom builder with a special emphasis on real off-road touring. Now I think this is on show inside this Avalon. It was custom built for a man in Began, New South Wales, and he liked the Avalon, but he needed it to be 200mm narrower and 50mm lower so that it would fit inside his garage. Every time I step inside a caravan that's built by Halen vans, I'm just shocked that they don't use CNC machines. You would swear that they do because the cabinetry is just precision stuff. It looks fantastic. Now a single bed layout, it might not be to everybody's taste, but if you want the island north-south bed up front, you can have that. Now in terms of cooking, you've got your microwave, but no griller or oven. In fact, it's just a 3-burner cooktop. Would that suit you and me? Look, almost it doesn't matter because this is a custom van and this is what the customer wanted. I think electrically this van does really well. You've got an onboard 300 amp hour lithium battery with 600 watts worth of solar on the roof. In fact, that lithium battery is powering the 240 volt fridge as I speak. Towing wise, I don't think this van presents any issues at all. It rides on airbag suspension by Cruisemaster, but all the fittings and the air compressor is supplied by Halen vans. Now one thing that I like about this setup is that say the air compressor or another component fails, you can plug in your separate 4-wheel drive air compressor or even down at the servo and refill those airbags, and the system is set up so that you can't overfill the airbags, and obviously that's important.